Welcome to a new episode of the FreeTAK team. At the FreeTAK team, we want to democratize situational awareness, and we are creating a new application on the top of what we have created until now. So our new application is FutureTAKServer, and that is a introductory video on the feature of FreeTAKServer or FutureTAKServer. That is going to be the 2x family of FTS. So we are going to introduce the so-called flock of parrot that is completely new and until now unseen in the tag world. Let's go for it. So what is the flock of parrot? The flock of parrot is a distributed architecture that can connect up to 10,000 clients for each parrot. So a parrot is a FutureTAKServer here, and then can connect 100 of those parrots to the so-called master parrot. So the result is a system that has up to 1 million of users connected. Again, you have 10,000 users for each single parrot by using what we have presented in a previous video, that is our scalable and asynchronous architecture. But then all those single parrots, 100 of them are connected to a master parrot. How is that works? So first off, each companion parrot here is a complete independent server. That means it can go offline and then return online and communicate with the rest of the so-called flock. Then the master parrot can administer all those servers. So you don't have to log in each single server. As soon as a server joins the flock, the master parrot has the ability to administer that server. So the master parrot has the ability to create a companion parrot from the scratch. And that is something that we are going to elaborate on when we talk about the Zero Touch 2x version, in which we are not only going to create a new server software, but also the machine itself that hosts that software. The communication between the flock is based on a pub and sub infrastructure, and so here we are going to push information to the master parrot. The master parrot will distribute this information by publishing it again to all the connected parrot. And that means that we can extend this not only to our own FTS, but the protocol that can do that is going to be documented by us. And that means any TAK server out of there can subscribe to that protocol and become a part of our flock of parrot. So that is the introduction of the flock of parrot that will allow you to extend your installation to any number of other users, and that will scale up to 1 million of those users. Thank you for watching, and please consider to subscribe to our channel so that we can produce even more videos.